Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa and today I want to show you the channel settings. Right now we are in this campaign and in the launch on the left we see channels. If we click on that we go to our channel settings. First of all we have the general channel settings. We have the display link. This is the clean link we want to show in our ads. You can type it right here. But you can also target a specific age range or genders. So for example here we can select the age, and if we click on this we can select the gender. Then we have our channels for meta. We have Facebook post, ads, reels, Instagram post, ads, reels. We can select the ones that we want, for example. We can select the type of campaign, awareness or traffic, and we can type our target interest. In Alphabet, we have the Google search, Google display ads, and YouTube ads. I can select these ones too. And we have then the digital out of home. For example, if I want digital out of home as well, I select this. Then we have our privacy policy link. You can type here the link. These are our channel settings. If you want to save, you click on this button and then the channel settings are saved. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.